Hello everyone! Welcome to GreyPot. Recently our channel hit 100K subscribers, and as a token of appreciation, YouTube sent us this silver play button. I would like to thank each one of you who subscribed to my channel, liked our videos, commented and shared. The love and affection shown by each one of you is overwhelming and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for following me on my journey. It's not me, it's all of you who helped me to cross this milestone. So, we did this together. And as my way of saying thank you to all of you, I have set up a small giveaway contest on our channel. The contest is very simple. Please come and comment on this video about how much you love GreyPot. The most popular comment will win the contest. That means the comment with most number of likes, hearts and replies will win the contest. In this contest, there are gonna be 20 winners, so you have a lot more chances to win. So what are you waiting for? Start writing your lovely comments and share it with your friends and family. Ask them to read your comment and react to it. So this contest will be live till October 10th, 2020. So hurry up and start commenting.